Hey friends, I hope all of you are safe, healthy, happy. Okay, it's so nice to again talk to you today. Today I've chosen a very important topic, a very interesting topic, right? I just thought I should share my thoughts in probably a few minutes. I hope all of us watch this video until the very end because I have a small activity also as a follow-up for everyone to do. Okay, so today the topic is what are the most powerful traits of any successful long-term investor, right? So I plan to cover around 3 today. Okay, so probably just stay with me and then let's go for it. The first and most important trait, okay, of a long-term investor is knowing your business. This sounds so simple, right? It sounds so easy. But do you know that more than 95% of the market participants are here just to trade without knowing anything about the business? Now, of course, trading is amazing, right? Because trading is what helps long-term investors to create wealth over the longer term. Without trader friends, it's impossible. We need speculators and traders to ensure the price discovery happens, the price movement happens, along with the fundamentals over a long period of time. But now, how do we come among the top 5% there? The first and most important thing is to know our business. Right? What do you mean by knowing our business? How many of us really know all the businesses which we own? What is the best way? The best way is today we have so much of information on the public exchanges, right? All the listed companies have to put up their annual reports. They put up investor presentations. They put up conference call transcripts, right? Now it's up to us as an investor to ensure that we know everything our business does, everything our business aspires to do, and everything which our business is good at, right? It's very important to know this. As a business owner, shouldn't we be proud of our business and what we really do? Isn't this one trait so important for us to stay with the business during good and bad times? So my friends, the first powerful trait is knowing our business completely. Okay, today there are so many interviews and so many articles. It's very important for us to get all that information, put it all together, and ensure that we understand our business. The second most important point of long-term investors is to have an independent view. Right? Today, unless we understand our business, we can never ever have an independent view of our business. There are so many quotes, right? Buy when there's blood on the street and buy low, sell high. How do we practice these things unless we really have an independent view? There is another famous quote, right? When we all follow the masses, usually the M is silent. So basically, this independent view is extremely important, and that's the second most powerful trait which can be built over a period of time. The third most important trait, today we are living in a generation of information overload, right? Let's accept it or not. Most of the news flow which comes in is all short-term news which keeps on building up and which keeps the price moving up and down. So the third most important trait of a long-term investor is to listen to everything, listen to all the news flowing in, but find out which news is really going to impact the fundamentals in the longer term. Mostly what happens to good businesses is that if at all there is some negative happening for the business can really get beaten down, but then so many businesses actually make it after quarters of underperformance, right? So do we just sell a business just because of some bad news, or we just buy a business just because of some good news? I don't think so. Because in a period of 10 years, there could be so many bad news flows and so many good news flows, even for the creamiest of blue chips, right? Which is there listed in the stock market. So my dear friends, these are the 3 traits. Now, hold on. Before you end this video, right? Let me give you a small homework. Okay. The first homework is, if at all you found this video to be useful, right? Just give a thumbs up so that all your followers and subscribers can look at it. And if possible, just share this video on all your WhatsApp groups and things like that. mostly to your family and friends, right? That's the first thing. Second thing is, I want you to comment below whatever you feel after looking at this video. Okay, so these two things are normal, which you can easily do. The third most important homework is that today, my friends, after this video, if possible, just take a paper and a pen or a pencil and list down the businesses which you own. Okay, it could be all the businesses which you own or which you aspire to own. Okay, being an investor in the stock market. Okay, once you write down the names of the businesses, take 1 month and try to understand every aspect of this business. Every aspect. Okay, try to read as much as possible, make notes, and try to create nice write-ups about what your business actually does. This one small thing can create an independent view, and this will help you to tide over all the information overload which is happening in this age of social media. All right. So these are the 3 powerful traits of a long-term investor, of a successful long-term investor, I must say. So happy long-term investing, and I wish all of you the very best to own some amazing businesses listed in the Indian stock market or any other stock market elsewhere. Okay, stay safe, stay healthy. All the very best, my friends. Take care.